Now abides faith, hope, love. The Apostle Paul wrote to the Corinthians about the gifts God bestowed on us. He mentioned prophecy, miracles, healings, tongues, interpretation, teachings, etc., encouraging us in 1 Corinthians 12:31 to earnestly desire the best gifts. Then he finished saying, "Yet I show you a more excellent way." What did Paul mean? What is that more excellent way? Well, let's see what Paul said in 1 Corinthians 13, verses 1 through 3. Though I speak with the tongues of men and angels, but have not love, I have become a sounding brass or a clanging cymbal. And though I have the gift of prophecy, and understand all mysteries and all knowledge, and though I have all faith, so that I could remove mountains, but have not love, I am nothing. And though I bestow all my goods to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burnt, but have not love, it profits me nothing. So, what was Paul saying in verse 1? If I am super spiritual, but have not love, I'm just a big noise. And in verse 2, if I have all faith, but have no love, I am nothing. And in verse 3, if I give everything to feed the poor, but have no love, it profits me nothing. Then he finishes in verse 13 saying, now abides faith, hope, love, these three, but the greatest of these is love. Great. What does that mean? Why faith, hope, and love? All three are obviously important, but why is love the greatest? What is faith all about? Faith is about believing God for what you want, for what you need. In other words, it is about you. Hope. What is hope all about? Hope is expecting that God will do what He said He would do for you. In other words, it's about you. What is love all about? Love is what you do, not for self, but for others. In other words, love is all about others. Yes, faith is important, because without faith it's impossible to please God. And yes, hope is as important, because hope is what activates your faith. However, love is the greatest, because love is the source of it all, and because God is love. As 1 John 4:8 tells us, he who does not love does not know God, for God is love. And as Jesus said in John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. Yes, God loves. How about you?